morning wakes but brings no light, just sheets of gray that hold the night. The clouds are low, the air is chill, a silent ache upon the hill. The rain begins a steady flow, reflecting tears I let out go. I sat alone till dawn was near, a well of sorrow stark and clear. The drops now fall upon the pane, a whispered echo of my pain. Each drumming beat, a memory sharp, the broken string upon my harp. I tried to sleep but found no rest, a heavy weight sat on my chest. The clock ticked loud, a mocking sound, a silent grief did still abound. I closed my eyes and hoped to cease the crushing lack of inner peace. The thunder rolls, a distant sigh, as yesterday's great hope did die. The gutters gush a frantic stream, like waking from a dreadful dream. My throat is sore, my eyes are red, for every word I wished unsaid. The world outside is washed in dew, but cleanses not the heart of you. I rise to face the damp, cold day, and try to put the past away, but shadows cling to every door and leave me wanting something more. The pavement gleams beneath the wet, a stage where old regrets are set. This morning rain, my weeping twin, reflects the turmoil deep within. It holds the tale of hours I've lost and counts the bitter final cost. Perhaps the sky has heard my plea and offers solace now to me. Though pain remains a bitter guest, the washing rain has made me blessed. For in this downpour cool and kind, a moment's comfort I can find. The night is gone, the world is new, and I will try to follow through.